Hi there. Today someone was gracious enough to leave us the nasty gift of their used gloves on the ground outside of our office. So today we are going to talk about the proper use and proper disposal of latex gloves. The first question we need to answer is whether or not surgical gloves actually prevent the transmission of disease. And the answer to that is really they don't help do that at all. It all depends on what you touch and what you transfer through your touch. A better deterrent for contracting disease is washing your hands with soap and water frequently. If you feel the need to use surgical gloves, there are specific ways to properly utilize them, and we're going to talk about that right now. So the first thing you do if you typically have a box of surgical gloves is the first thing you want to do is avoid touching the outside as much as possible. So you're going to take it by the front edge, put the glove on with touching as little of that glove as possible until it's on completely. Then use your gloved hand to pick up the other glove and put that on the opposite hand. Once the gloves are on completely, you can use your fingers to kind of push them on completely. You can go about your business and do what you have to do at the supermarket, at the gas pump, whatever you need to do. When you're done using your gloves and wish to dispose of them properly, here's how to do it. You take your non-dominant hand, you grab the front edge of the one glove, you pull it completely inside out so that the nasty bits and the stuff you touched are on the inside of that glove. You take your hand and you crumple up the glove like this into your fist, and then you take your other hand, pull the second glove inside out over that bundle of the first glove so that anything facing the outside now is just what your hands touched. This, for you, is safe to touch. Throwing this on the ground at the supermarket or throwing it on the ground in front of the gas pumps or throwing it on the ground in front of my office only requires that someone else has to come and pick up your germ-covered gloves. So be courteous, throw this out properly. You can put this into another plastic bag, but throw it yourself into the garbage so that it can be removed properly. When we're dealing with a pandemic, when we're dealing with a virus such as this, it's important to keep yourself healthy, but it's just as important to keep everyone else around you healthy. And that's the best way to do it. So please don't throw your nasty gloves on the ground and learn how to use them properly.